One of my video is made by AI. Do you know that this video is made by AI? So how does it work? I opened ChatGPT to make a script for this video, but I don't want to sound robotic, so I don't use teleprompter. I asked ChatGPT to write me an essay about a video editing skill. Video editing is highly sought after skill, blah 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 blah, but that sounds very robotic. To me, there is no human touch to it because ChatGPT is artificial intelligence, so you need to rephrase it, so you need to paraphrase it. Okay, you can use another AI tool to rephrase or paraphrase it by using Quillbot and or etc etc. Okay, but to add the human touch to the script, I memorize it. Okay, and I rephrase it in my head, in my brain, and I read the script in my brain and rephrase it in real time because ChatGPT is artificial intelligence. This is the real intelligence here. That's how I make a human touch to the script that made by AI. So guys, with the advancement of the technology, many jobs will be lost, okay? But one of the jobs that may be remain with the advancement of the AI is editor. So you should learn video editing. You could always find a job and make money by video editing. So stay tuned for another video editing tutorial in this channel. I'll see you in the next one.